to begin asking for General Tafire.
Izoberi urushutamo rw'ishengyero rwatandukana burijo ubwo abany'ishengyero barukurikiriza icyandiko ku rugo wa Minisita w'Enshonga zo mu nda y'ihanga ecyashomwa General Muhozi bitu nabwanye mu rukuru rubajo rukakanasa government yashaba speaker kumwikiriza kuzana katambi ecyabany'ishengyero ku rugo mu rubajo rwa government bayanga kandi cyagimisariza speaker kwemereza urushutamo ku mareda cyiki 10.
Leader of opposition, Lop. Lop.
You see, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I beg for your protection from these rowdy members. Mr. Speaker, the colleagues right here requested for a video to be played yesterday. No, I mean on Tuesday.
Thursday. On Thursday.
On Thursday.
Yeah.
Thank you for the correction. On Thursday last week. It played instantly without any kind of help. Yet the member came on a procedural matter that day. So, is it procedurally right today to delay our video as the section of... Yes, it has been delayed.
Thank you.
Is it procedurally right to delay the video?
Thank you. Honorable colleagues, here there is the way we work. Please. Honorable Zake, kindly take your seat. Honorable Zake, kindly take your seat. Honorable Numbers, kindly take your seat. Now, what would be so bad about a vote? Why would you fear a vote? I'm here chairing a house. I'm not outside. Okay? Sergeant at arms. Honorable colleagues, I put a question again that the video be played, and now I want raising of arms and I want clerk, you count for me.
Abany'eishengyero kugarukamo speaker yaragira ku video ezanwa beita abarubaje rwa government bashaba kuhatirwa karuru akora ubaje rwa government basinga aho abarubaje hakana bagumiza mu bari kuteremeza ikintu cya leta speaker yabinga abany'ishengyero batano
cyakusaliwa cyamanyi nyo nti parliament y'eggwanga tesobola kwewuliriza ku nsonga ezisayina kyekubira ensonga ezikwata ku ddembe ly'obuntu ezikwata kubuzaawo abantu kutulugunya abantu obutawa amateeka kitiibwa n'obutuwa ssemateeka kitiibwa ebibaddewo olweggo olwaleero omuli okuyimiriza abaka entuula 3 ndowooza bya bulijjo
bwanyuma bamwe mu bany'ishengyero abitwagambaho nabo bajumirira ekikorwa eki
buri kuba turwo mu weekend nibijaba kuza kuteganisa ishengyero ryitu ebiraje bitwakoze ribe kutambuza biruho kandi twena tubimanyi nyowe nayirarikira munonga aba bantu abo speaker yashomangu yababinga omwene bijo mu parliament takoreye micho yaho takujetegereza ni intekateka hine bakunywe bitakuyitegereza
cyo kubanza amazima gari nteye hanga ryeti ryo mu buzibu buhango obuzibu abengi tibari kugwetegereza ngo no buzibu nahabwe cyo izobere biwareba n'ibintu biri kutwijusya ngo tuyino murimo
ababingwa bari mu Joyce Bagara owa district ya Mityana Frank Kabuye omny'ishengyero wa Kasanda Nyekoderi omny'ishengyero wa Machindya East Betnamboze owa Mukono hamwe na Francis Zake owa Mityana municipality gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza